cavity empty and all that stuff. So it says it has a miner inside. I believe that. Let's check the other one. So it says it has a miner inside. I believe that too. I know we need to eat to live, but sometimes things are actually free. Let's go download an open source Kawpow miner. I'm going to do a quick search, open source Kawpow miner, and we're going to click on the releases for the Raven Community Kawpow miner. So we do that, we're actually going to scroll down a little bit and click on the Kawpow miner for Windows, for CUDA, for the NVIDIA card. I'm going to let it download because there's nothing else we can do. Once it's downloaded, we're going to go to the downloads folder, right click it and extract it, and click extract. Once that's all done, we're going to open it up, and I'm going to take care of this thing that always bugs me. I'm going to paste it and delete that. There we go. We're done, right? No, we're not done. We actually need an address, a wallet address, and we need the address or the stratum to connect to the pool. And this Kawpow miner actually works a little bit different than other miners based on the format of how you put in the information. So here I'm just showing you a quick help on it of things to do, and I'm going to highlight under the pool, under the scheme. It's going to show you put in, after where you put in stratum, you're going to put in user, worker name, password at, host name, and the port. So I actually have a previous config there for something else, but we're going to get the stratum for the pool and put it in there. Let's go to our favorite place, mining pool stats. We're using the PRCO coin, and we're going to go to our plant. I'll do Zerg pool one day. Once we're there, we're going to click on connect. I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and we're going to put in Windows, T-Rex, Windows, the nearest stratum, America. I'm going to paste in our address. We'll put in a worker name too. And that would work for the T-Rex miner, but what we need to do is change it just a little bit. We're going to put that at the end where it says at, and we're actually going to try to run this from a command prompt. Paste it in there, hit enter, and away it goes. I know it looks a little bit different than other ones, but it's, I wouldn't say it's a little bit older. It is from 2021. I don't believe it's been updated recently, and also I don't know if it's more efficient, same efficient, or not as efficient as current miners with regards to hash rates. So I'm going to put in a little bit of information here, so if you want to use it, I'm going to say that it's an executable, and then we're going to move over to the wallet address and the worker name, and then we're going to move to the end and say at stratum, if I could spell it, :port. So this shows you the elements you need to craft the line to put in there to use it from the command line. And to stop it, we're just going to hit Control-C on the keyboard. And the process is ended. We're going to go to the same downloads page, and now we're going to look for the OpenCL version and download it for Windows. Once that's done, we're going to right click it and extract it. Go inside the folder, get the other files under the main folder because it's just a thing of mine, and I don't really feel like messing around with other settings. And we're going to go to that directory and try to run the miner from there using the same information. Now I believe it's supposed to just find or iterate or enumerate the devices and go through, but right now it's showing an OpenCL error, meaning it can't find any devices. But we know there are devices because we've done this before on other miners and they use OpenCL, so we know it works with those miners. So I'm going to download the latest AMD drivers because it was using whatever Windows it gets, and we're going to do the install. And we're going to do a very speedy install with the magic of video editing. Oh, wouldn't it be great if all computers worked this fast? This is awesome. And with even more magic, it rebooted and you didn't even see it happen. Nine minutes and 30 seconds to install the driver. That will not do. It looks like we're gonna have another ninja reboot here in a few seconds. Boy, look at that time fly. Phew. Restart. Now we're gonna check the driver date and the driver version. So May 24th of this year. And now we're going to try to run it again after we start up the afterburner. So I thought maybe the other cards may be interfering, so I disabled them just for testing. And we're going to paste our string in there and see if it works. And it does not. So I did some reading that maybe an older driver might work, so I figured, why not give that a shot. So I downloaded something from, I believe, 2019. And also to find out your OpenCL version, you type in CL info. And it does show the card in there. And once again, we've run this on other miners that use AMD, so I'm not blaming the open source miner, but I know it may not have been updated recently or have support for this card using OpenCL, not OpenCLL. So try to install the other driver. No dice installing the old driver. So I figured let's try to install the driver directly from the old setup files. And it's going to tell me to get bent. So we tried a couple things here and there. We're also going to try to update, going down to the folder and the drivers. And it's most likely going to tell us we have the latest and greatest ones already installed. Yep, there it is. Well, I'm not admitting defeat, but I sure as hell ain't saying I got a victory either. As always, thanks for the watchings.